Tall trees surrounded him. The forest was quiet too quiet. For the first time in his young life, Milo felt fear. As the sun slowly sank behind the mountains, shadows stretched across the ground. Every crack of a branch sounded louder than it should. Every movement made Milo's heart beat faster. He wanted to bark, to call for help, but his voice felt small in the endless forest. "I want to go home," Milo whispered to himself. Just then, a soft sound came from above. A pair of gentle eyes watched him from a high branch. It was an old owl, gray with age and calm with wisdom. "You are not weak because you are afraid," the owl said quietly. "Fear simply means you have stepped into something new." Milo looked up.